Sanibona bafethu, we are back again with another video. So khuluma abantu today about VAR in South Africa. Do we really need VAR in South Africa? Yabo. So today I will be unpacking more about VAR. Today it was a big game. It was playing Mamelodi Sundowns, the Kaizer Chiefs. It was one of the biggest games after a derby. After I saw it to derby in South Africa. So indlela edlalwe ngayo le game namhlanje, I was really disappointing seeing some officiating kuleya game leya, because igame enkulu kanjeyana akumelanga imoshwe aboref. Yabo, I feel like the referees really messed up the game today. The referees were the one who messed up the game. If you can see, there was a goal that was scored by Mamelodi Sundowns. The second goal, if I'm not mistaken, it was assisted by Lucas Ribeiro. Assisted Lumchita Akrim Reyners. Yabona kuleya goal leyana, if ubuye emuva, ibhola eliqhamukile liya ku Ribeiro Costa. Ku Ribeiro Costa ubedlanga la ka right. Ekudlaleni kwakhe ka right kukhona lo baba lo uNabi useceleni kwa linesman. Linesman kumele abe aqondane nelasman yeKaizer Chiefs. Musa ukubheka ilasman yeKaizer Chiefs beku Bradley Cross benalo mshida lo uMiguel phezulu. Bradley Cross benomiguel phezulu. If you see, yabo naku la ngizokhipha la. Yabo Musa ukubheka la uyambona uBradley Cross la. Uyambona Ribeiro Costa. Umthetho webhola kwabawaziyo, the rules of the game, they say if half your body is on the other side of the line, it's the offside, because you can score with your elbow, you can score with your head, you can score with your chest. If these parts are offside, it's an offside. You cannot say an arm is an offside. No, it's a whole circumference of ibody yakhe i-offside. Yabo, angazi noma ngisho into right in circumference, but isingisa kusinto yami. But if you can see umzimba wakhe umjida offside, yabo. So that was an offside. Some people may say uMiguel ngale onisile. No. If ugrowa uline, uzobona ukuthi umzimba walo mjida lo uline towards yabo offside, not even lean towards ungaloko muqa offside, and linesman ubela. Another thing engifuna ukuyi-addressa, uNabi kule game le, uNabi was very frustrated with uref. Wambiza uref, what's ref, come and see imistake eniyenzile no linesman wakho. Yabo, what displaya izinto, what displaya ama gadgets, these gadgets lawa, yabo. Ngokwami la South Africa avumelekile, but I've seen uRulani with his technical team yeMamelodi Sundowns last season beyisebenzisa lento le. Yabo, beyisebenzisa ama tablets and laptops to view izinto ezenzekala kwi-game. So namhlanje uNabi ne-technical team yakhe bezama ukukhombisa uref ukuthi okay ref, this happened. Yabo, basho ukuthi nayi into eyenzakalile. Yabo, uyasho ukuthi nayi into eyenzakalile, why ungayijajanga offside. Yabo, uNabi udiniwe. As a coach, I understand his frustration. Yabo, I understand his frustration because i-team yakhe iyaluza because of ubudedengu ba-linesman beno-ref. Aba-communicate, asho ukuthi no, that was an offside. Urefi wenzani? Uthatha lezinto lezi. Urefi uthatha lezinto lezi uyayikhipha lezinto uref. Angazi why urefi engafuni ukulalela ikhalo, because I'm sure if urefu lo wade refa namhlanje uye kwi-technical team yeMamelodi Sundowns ubezoyifica lezinto lezi. Sure ubezoyifica lezinto lezi. So I'm really disappointed because into esesikade sasiyikhalela le South Africa ukuthi we need VAR. We cannot let abo referee bazomosha amagame amakhulu kanje. We cannot let big games ruined by abo ref. The referees have ruined South African football. If we are being honest, they have ruined South African football because I don't know, angazi noma isafa noma iPSL yini, but between the two they must make a negotiation a negotiation ukuthi no man, we must implement VAR. Because if you can look, there's a country, I think it's Mauritania if I'm not mistaken, by implementing it this season. We are far ahead of their country in terms of league, in terms of football. I'm sure our South African team, national team, can beat a country alapan, a Pauline. But bona sebene VAR in their league, in their national league, sebene VAR. Tina like South Africa, we are still using the old methods of football. Our linesmen are overweight. They are not fit. They are not fit to officiate. They are not fit to run. As a linesman, you must be one-on-one with the last man of the opponent, with the last man of the teammate defender. Be one-on-one. Ebo, uhambe kanje ne last man. But into yenzeka namhlanje, I last man ibishi o coach, abo says coach, o linesman ubehamba kanye nomdlalo weSundowns uRibeiro Costa. Yabo. So nje I'm very disappointed. Angazi nina nibona kumbono right ukuthi South Africa si implement iVAR noma nibona kusakahle ukuthi kudlalwe kanje, because akusiyona igame yokuqala le, maningi amagame asazokubheda kule season ngezinto ezikanje, maningi amagame asazokubheda kule season ngezinto ezikanje. I feel like it's time as fans we start protesting, protestele lento le, because it's very disappointing to see abo ref bemosha igame kanje. This is a big game. This is a big game. I'm really disappointed. But again, ninga subscribe lapha bafethu, ni like, ni sharele abantu ulwazi ngalento le. Yabo bangibonise nami, because I really do need usizo ukuthi mhlambe ngiyibona ngenye indlela, mhlambe ngiyivuka ngenye indlela, abaziyo bangayivuka ngenye indlela. But for me, this was an offside. But ungangiphendula kuma comments ubhala uthi cha Vane, this was not an offside. Yabo ungangifollowa ku Instagram Vane Spesihle, ku TikTok nguvane Talk Sport, ku TikTok nguvane Sports, yeah, nguvane Sports ku TikTok. Ngiyabonga bafethu.